Hello again, this is Suritech. Welcome again to my channel, and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to use pivot table on Microsoft Excel. And before that, I need to explain to you how pivot table is important. Pivot table tool is important on Microsoft Excel, and let me explain to you what a pivot tool, how a pivot tool works on Microsoft Excel. A pivot table tool is a tool in Excel that allows you uh, quickly summarize data in your spreadsheet. Now I have this list of items, product, unit price, quantity, cost, and discount. Now I want to get the total quantity of this order ID. Now, what is going to help me here is pivot table. Now, to do that, click add another new sheet here, then go to insert table. Now, once you click on table, you'll see a pivot table here. Just click on it like that. Now you need to click on this button here. Now we are going back to the original sheet. We we're going to select the whole like that. Then you click on the sheet like that. You click on this button like that. Then okay. Now when we look at this on this pivot table is empty. Now what to do next is we add fields to this table. Now we are going to select order ID and quantity like that. Now by default, these values are added here on summation values here. Now we are going to move this order of ID to this side of rows. Now you see some of total quantity of these IDs are already calculated here. Now on row labels doesn't make sense. You can still edit and give it order ID. So this is how to use pivot table on Microsoft Excel. If you find this video very important, please can you like this video, subscribe to this video so that next time I drop another video like this, YouTube will notify you.